Yeah, what should I invest in next? Can I have some tips?
LeBron James is undeniably one of the most talented athletes to ever live and has been busy on and off the court consistently for more than a decade. Besides being one of the best basketball players of all time, LeBron has a great mind for business and he has been growing his wealth substantially over the past few years. LeBron has made a whopping $310 million in his NBA salary. LeBron also makes roughly $60 million per year off the court in endorsements. His endorsements include Beats, Intel, Sprite, Kia, and of course Nike. In December 2015, Nike signed him to a lifetime deal that is expected to be worth around $1 billion. He is also known to be good with money, and he doesn't spend much. In an interview with ESPN, Dwayne Wade talked about how he thinks LeBron is the cheapest player in the NBA.
Who is the cheapest guy in the NBA?
Who is it?
And Dwayne Wade says, LeBron James.
That is so falsely true. I'm not turning on data roaming. I'm not buying no apps. I still got Pandora with commercials.
You know you're rich, right?
I'm not paying for it. I'm not paying, true.
LeBron has been friends with the world's most famous stock investor, Warrant Buffett, and the two have been praising each other for years. Buffett even once stated that LeBron is very clever in the way he looks at his business off the court. I wish I was as smart about business when I was his age. Interestingly enough, Buffett's advice to LeBron is a very simple one. Warren Buffett stated that index funds are the way to go for an investor such as LeBron that has a massive income coming in each year. In his interview with CNBC, Buffett goes on to explain this in more depth.
I think actually if through the rest of his career and beyond in terms of earning power then, just making monthly investments in a low-cost index fund makes a lot of sense. I think that somebody in his position ought to have a significant cash reserve and whatever makes them comfortable. It's the same advice I give 99% of people.
Buy an index fund.
And doing it over time and starting early, starting young in life. And nobody's ever followed that and gotten other than a decent result. Nobody.
Index funds contain a tiny piece of all the companies included in a particular market index. When you buy an index fund, you're buying a small slice of the entire market. By investing his large income in index funds, LeBron can enjoy a massive growth in his net worth without having to worry too much about risking his wealth. What do you think? Should LeBron take Warren Buffett's advice? Is he better off risking more to earn more since he can afford it? Comment your answer below and let us know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're interested in NFTs and want to learn more about them, click on the link on the top left corner.